Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. Today we are diving into the world of place-based learning, a dynamic pedagogical strategy that connects students to their surrounding environment and community. Place-based learning is a hands-on approach that immerses students in real-world settings to enhance their understanding of academic concepts. By utilizing local resources and incorporating community experiences, educators are able to create meaningful and relevant learning experiences for their students. This approach encourages students to explore, question, and problem solve within their own environment, fostering a deeper connection to their surroundings and a sense of stewardship for the community. One of the key advantages of place-based learning is its ability to make learning come alive for students. By connecting academic content to real-world experiences, students are able to see the relevance and application of what they are learning. This hands-on approach also promotes critical thinking, collaboration, and problem-solving skills as students engage with their environment in a meaningful way. Furthermore, place-based learning has been shown to increase students' motivation and engagement as students are actively involved in their own learning process. Incorporating place-based learning into the classroom can take on many forms. Teachers can design field trips to local museums, parks, or historical sites to deepen students' understanding of a specific topic. They can also involve community members as guest speakers to mentors to provide authentic perspectives and experiences. Additionally, teachers can incorporate local issues or challenges to their curriculum, allowing students to explore and propose solutions to real-life problems within their community. One inspiring example of place-based learning can be seen in a school garden project, where students are involved in every step of the process, from planting seeds to harvesting produce. This hands-on experience not only teaches students about agriculture and nutrition, but also fosters a sense of responsibility and teamwork. Another example is a community mapping project, where students create visual representations of their surroundings, highlighting important landmarks, resources, and potential areas for improvement. In conclusion, place-based learning offers a rich and engaging educational experience that empowers students to connect with their environment, community, and academic content in a meaningful way. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.